Hey, thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today we're going to get into this Old Forester 1910. We're going to talk about this bottle because it has a bit of a cult following, and it's a bourbon that people swear by for its dessert-like richness. Old Forester 1910 Double Oak. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and be sure and smash the bell. It's the best way to keep up with our content. Before we get into the glass, let's talk about why this bottle even exists. Back in 1910, Old Forester had a little accident. A fire shut down their bottling line, which left a batch of mature bourbon kind of just stuck in limbo. So instead of dumping it, they rebarreled it into fresh, heavily charred oak barrels. That second barreling created a richer, deeper, sweeter bourbon, and the legend of 1910 was born. And here's the twist. Even though the story dates back to 1910, this modern expression didn't hit shelves until 2018. So while the story is old, the bottle we're drinking today is a pretty recent addition to the Whiskey Road lineup. So fast forward to today, and Old Forester recreates that same process, fully matured bourbon, then finished in a second round of heavily charred oak barrels, double oak, double the flavor. Let's get a pour. So right away, the color is just deep, mahogany, amber, almost just unbelievable. It looks like Coca-Cola almost. I mean, it's crazy. You can tell that second cask really puts in the work. And we swirl the whiskey around. It's got some good legs to it. You can see there those teardrops running down the glass. So let's go ahead and nose it, taste it, and talk about it. All right, let's hit the stats because I know some of you want to know the numbers before the notes. The distillery, of course, is Old Forester. That's Brown-Forman. Proof, 93. Mash bill, 72% corn, 18% rye, and 10% malted barley. It's a no-age statement. There's none listed anyway, but it's believed to be around 4 to 6 years old. It's finished in heavily charred oak barrels, number 4 alligator char to be exact, and the price is about $55. So for around $55, you're getting a double-barreled bourbon with a dessert-forward profile and a whole lot of character. Let's go to the nose. Man, the flavor just jumps out of the glass. Oh gosh, toasted marshmallow, caramelized sugar, chocolate fudge, a little bit of cinnamon is there too. And the classic Old Forester banana note, just softer and sweeter here. Smells like a bourbon brownie. Let's get a taste. Oh yeah. Thick, silky, almost syrupy. The double oak really shows up. Dark chocolate, brown sugar, creme brulee, a little bit of pipe tobacco. It doesn't hold back at all. This pour is rich and unapologetically bold. Yeah, this is really good. You know, when I'm thinking about the finish is medium long. It's really sweet and toasty. Think melted chocolate and charred oak hanging out in the background. It's the kind of finish that makes you want to take another sip immediately. It can be dangerous. So at around $55, 1910 sits in that mid-premium range. And honestly, for what you're getting, the flavor, the complexity, and the consistency, I think this punches above its weight. This is a bottle I recommend to people who want something that's rich and dessert forward without chasing down allocated bottles. So I guess my final thoughts on this, if you like bourbon sweet, decadent, and full of character, Old Forester 1910 is absolutely worth your time. It's one of the most approachable double oak bourbons out there, and it's a bottle that I keep coming back to. Is this the best in the Whiskey Row series? I don't know, that's a debate for another day, but it's on up there. So here at Casks-n-Que, we rate our whiskeys on 3 things: availability, taste, and value. Availability, 1910 is generally findable. You're not going to have to hunt this bottle down. It's pretty easy to find, so 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, somewhere in there. And on taste, this is where it shines. It's rich, it's sweet, it's layered, and it's bold. The double oak finish delivers. I'm telling you, this is amazing for $55. So the value on this as a segue is incredible. Where do I come out on my final score? So 1 being the worst, 10 being absolutely incredible. I'm gonna go 8.75. I think I would like to, I think it could go to a 9 if this was a little bit higher than 93 proof. So that's what we have. If you don't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's the best way to help this channel. Certainly appreciate you for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.